Cook that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be cooking cornbread for our dinner today. And this is the cornbread. So we're gonna first put the cornbread in the bowl. Oh. Okay then. All done. And now I'm going to crack the egg. And now I'm gonna put the milk inside. Not too much though.
Okay.
Now we're going to stir the cornbread, milk, and eggs together. So we're gonna, I'm gonna see you guys when we are to the pan part. And before we put the mix in the pan, we're gonna put a little sugar in. Not too much because we don't want it to be too sweet. And that's it. We're gonna close it and we're gonna stir it, and when we're at the pan, I'll turn it back on. Now we're gonna start pouring the mix inside the pan. I'm gonna use this, a measuring cup. So let me show you. A little bit more than that because it's not good enough. And we have to fill it up so it can be a lot. And it's time for the next one. And then we're going to need a little bit more. So, that looks enough, so let's go to the next one. So I believe you're going to be needing like 4 scoops if you're using this measuring cup. And then now is for the next one. It's gonna take a while. And I'll see you guys when we're fully done and putting this stuff in the pan. We're back and we're putting the 3 more in because okay, so it should be enough because we don't have enough mix for all of them. Okay, let's just put all the mix in here because the other one is not going to have enough. And we'll be back. The finishing, all you need to do is put in the oven. And when we put it in the oven, I will tell you when it's all done. And this is the finishing touch. And yeah, thank you for watching me cook. And now I'll just see you guys in the next video. Bye.